Wheatley Retreat at Lake Blackshear. FRC Land Company is pleased to present the Wheatley Retreat at Lake Blackshear. Nestled along the western banks at Lake Blackshear in Sumter and Lee County, Georgia, lies the Wheatley Retreat. With over 16,000 feet of pristine tree-lined lake frontage, the Wheatley Retreat boasts the longest undeveloped shoreline on Lake Blackshear. In 1989, a prominent local businessman and esteemed University of Georgia alumnus, Mr. Charles Wheatley, gifted this pristine property to the University of Georgia Foundation. His concise and specific gifting stipulation was for the property to benefit the Warnell School of Forestry and Natural Resources for such uses and purposes as it deems best. The Wheatley Retreat is an outstanding example of one man's dedication to the creation of a personal paradise, one where productive pine forests and wildlife coexist. Since receiving the gift, the Warnell School has managed the property to enhance its natural surroundings while working to improve timber harvest yields, wildlife habitat, and recreational opportunities on the property. Located along the property's southernmost lake frontage, a modest 3-bedroom, 2-bath lodge blends into the natural surroundings and offers sanctuary from the busy world beyond. Stone floors, cypress paneling, and a central stone fireplace sets a rustic, casual tone in this hub for entertaining friends and family. The Wheatley Retreat offers 4 well-stocked ponds totaling nearly 50 acres. These ponds provide both fishing and duck hunting opportunities. Over 16 miles of well-maintained interior roads and trails provide access throughout the property. Varying age classes of pine plantations offers a steady stream of timber harvest revenue and provides biodiversity and habitat for numerous species of wildlife. The Wheatley Retreat presents a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to create your own Southwest Georgia refuge. Located approximately 30 miles northeast of Albany, 75 miles south of Macon, and 80 miles southeast of Columbus, the property is easily accessed from Interstate 75, U.S. Highway 280, and the Georgia-Florida Parkway. Southwest Georgia Regional Airport in Albany, along with several local municipal airports, provide commercial and private flight access in the region. For more information on this unique offering, contact Shane Boyer with FRC Land Company to discuss the property and set up your private tour of this once-in-a-lifetime investment opportunity.